In Python, the AND operator is a Boolean operator. Let's give ourselves two Booleans, B1 and B2, that will both start as true. So, B1 equals true, and B2 equals true. The AND operator is literally just the word AND. Let's print out the AND operation between B1 and B2. So, print B1 and B2. If we run this code, you'll see that results in true. Let's change B1 to be false and see what happens. If we run this code, you'll see that results in false. Let's flip the order to see if that makes a difference. If we run this code, you'll see that results in false as well. Finally, let's make them both false. Running this code, you will see that results in false. In Python, AND only results in true when both operands are true. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.